Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to upload YouTube Shorts directly from your PC. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. The first step is to prepare your YouTube Short video. There are some requirements for creating a YouTube Short. Conditions. Number 1. Make sure it's less than 60 seconds long. Number 2. Video format should be MP4. Number 3. Video dimension should be 9:16. I made a video with the ratio of 9:16 and my video duration is less than 60 seconds. Step 2. Open your web browser and type YouTube Studio in the search bar and click Enter. Then click on the first link. Make sure you're logged in to your YouTube account. Step 3. In YouTube Studio, click the Create button in the upper right corner and select Upload Videos. Now, click on the Select Files and then select the video from your PC. When you select it, click on Open button. Step 4 now. Give your video an engaging and descriptive title. Write a brief description about your short. You can add relevant tags to help with discoverability. Now click on the Next button. Add video elements like end screens and cards if needed. Click on Next. In the Visibility section, choose whether your short is public, unlisted, or private. For YouTube Shorts, keep it public. Now click on Publish. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded your YouTube Short from your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.